So, today I'm going to show you how to make these breakfast muffins. I love them as they're quite healthy with oats, fresh apple and maple syrup, but they're also super delicious. Here I'm just filling my 12-hole cupcake tin with cupcake cases, and then this mixture I'm making here, it needs to sit for quite a while so that the oats can soak up all the milk. And I also like to melt my butter at this point so it has some time to cool. Here I'm just combining all my dry ingredients together, give it a bit of a whisk and then put it aside so you can prepare the rest of your ingredients. Like the apple, you are going to want quite small pieces. I like to do it by chopping each apple into quarters, and then each quarter into 3 pieces, and then each third into 3 more pieces. Oh, and by the way, 190 grams of apple is about 2 apples, not including the peel and core. Here we're just combining all our wet ingredients together, and again, give it a whisk. And once you've done that, you can add the wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. And whisk these together and make sure you don't have any lumps of flour because it'll just make your muffins lumpy and you don't want that. Once you've done that, you can add in your apple and your oats and again combine. But at this point, it doesn't matter if it's lumpy. You're not going to notice the oats in the cooked muffins. It's just lumps of flour you don't want. Once you've made your mixture, you can fill your cupcake cases. I tend to just do it 1 spoon in each of the cases, and then you can go back over and add more to the ones which have less mixture in. And once you've done that, cook it. For the first 5 minutes, you want it on a hotter temperature, and then turn your oven down for the remaining 15 to 20 minutes so it can fully cook, and once it's cooked, you can eat it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.